Welcome to New Zealand!
Guys, we're so fascinated. There's a help yourself to your seafood. That's crazy cool.
You can't catch one in milk, but we can do the clam.
You help yourself. Oh, look at the mussels. They're alive. Okay guys, Kat got the bawa pie. These guys are eating their breakfast and look guys.
Oh, that's so good.
What do you rate it?
9.
9!
For
That's
taste,
high!
Yeah. So that.
Ooh. Will's trying his pie now.
Which one was it? It's Palusami. Oh yeah. Trying to Palusami pie.
Bro, that's massive!
Wow. Talk to me also. How are you feeling? What's the emotions?
Oh my life. Oh my life.
Is it like how dare that be in a pie? Or is it like
Bro, that looks like a bit of beef soup on there too.
a little close up again? Oh wow, that's amazing, bro. Shout out to Mangry, Mangere Bakery.
Like some beef soup on there too. Lucy P.
Wow.
No, I actually like very good.
Alright fam, we're all in the elevator. We're headed to the Sky Tower. I don't want to butcher it, but I'm going to try it. It says, now, mai, hare mai. Welcome to Sky Tower. I need to look at Willie's feet.
A short brief. You're heading to level 51 first. From there, change lifts to sky deck and the lookout. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Wow. Go in front of Daddy. Oh. In front, Pepe. Look.
Oh, you can see the
Look.
Whoa. No way.
This is crazy.
Oh.
That looks so good.
Wow.
My ears are going blocked.
This beats Eureka Tower.
Guys, look at that.
Hey, the beach is there! The pools! Hey, right there, across.
Oh.
I can't even see the floor.
Ooh. Pikachu. Wow, no way. Straight away, how you
Guys, chef's kiss. Beautiful. New Zealand, putting it on. Putting it on.
feeling? Straight away, also, how you feeling, bro?
Ah, it's a bit nice, bit hectic. New Zealand. Not bad, sis.
Straight off the top, how you feeling?
Guys, I'm not very good on the heights, okay? But I feel safe. I feel safe. I have ankles to grab on, and it's really solid. So it's good. I actually really like it. The views beat it 100% Eureka Tower. Eureka Tower stink.
No, we can't do that. Straight off the top, also, how you feeling, brother?
Honestly, doesn't faze me.
Straight off the top, bro, how you feeling, also?
I'm feeling how do you say Levita
Like,
in English? The legs are shaky. Because I go up the Eureka Tower all the time. This just feels different, bro.
So guys, this is why they got that leaning thing, so you can lean over. And then you can see the floor. Nice.
yeah.
It feels like you're like leaning a bit forward and falling. So
Yeah.
it feels a bit scary, but hey, all good.
Yeah, that's a little bit crazy. Fam, this is beautiful. So I'll quickly take you right around. Now you can see the whole, I think you can pretty much see the whole of Auckland. And this is just, wow. So good, eh?
So good. It's so beautiful.
I feel like we came from that one. This is looking. Let's try me see what she's looking at. Oh no.
Right, so I'll be taking you guys up to level 60. This is the highest that we can go. It's 220 meters or 722 feet off the ground. And once we're done with level 60, I'll be taking you guys to 53 up.
Okay, okay. This has slightly changed a little bit. Great. Oh. Yeah. Talk to me, bro. Talk to me.
This feels a little bit better.
She's over here leaning. Okay. So tell me, what's the method of this?
Just giving adrenaline run. No, jokes. We are going to that place. Taking the kids for a swim at that place over there.
Tell me, do you like it? Yeah, you like it up here? And what are you eating?
Yeah.
A banana, yeah. You want to take me over there? Go show me over there. Go. Go show me. Good job, Tor. And what are we looking at? Oh, that's nice, son. Yeah. Good job, baby. Hold on tight, Tor.
Okay guys, we are here at the Karanga something plaza. The wind is so bad, but guys, we're gonna go have a swim here in the city. The boys doing some manus.
Oh, this is so good.
Tua! Come this way, follow us.
Guys, it is actually so nice. It's real cold on the first jump day, but now it's
So nice.
fresh.
It's not even that cold.
Fresh. Tor's enjoying it. Hey, Tor.
Pepe, you love it? Oh my gosh.
And the boys are putting on a show, man. They're just bombing the heck out of this water. They're all so good, bro. It's crazy, man.
And then we have big back. Big back activities over here.
Here we go.
Guys, I want to do a manu. Sure.
Nah, that wasn't a money. These are all about to witness the first bomb of the bro. Let's go, so. Oh, wow.
Okay guys, we've just finished swimming and we're headed back to our hotel. The water was so good, rate that so hard, a good 10. It is Auckland's backyard pool. That was good.
Alright fam, so we've rocked up to service now. Everyone's looking fresh. Wow, fresh. Everyone. Sheesh. And this boy, sheesh. So yeah, we're just gonna walk in, try and get our seat because the band's already playing. It's already quite packed. And we've come a lot more earlier than yesterday. It's 5 p.m. now. So yeah, we're gonna try and get a seat once we get in. Obviously, we're gonna show you guys the service.
Also, you ready? Yes, we need to walk.
Every night addiction starts.
Okay guys, we are waiting to go up and get our food, but right now we're just relaxing. Before we were at the back on the other side, but we've been brought to the front. So yeah.
We got our food and it is delicious. Bit of this, bit of that, bit of this, bit of that. Oh my gosh. Everyone's already played it up. Oh, that's a good bite, bro. So you guys were just gonna dig it.
Thanks for tuning in into a vlog. Tune in for day 3. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Seki!